Hi, I'm Dan Beal, Product Manager of DocToHelp. Join me as I show you how DocToHelp improves efficiency and communication while reducing costs by helping you create, manage, and publish information anywhere your readers need it. Many organizations struggle with making user guides, policies, procedures, training materials, and other instructional information easy to find, pleasant to read, and up to date. This information typically exists in user manuals, policy, procedure, and regulatory documents, employee handbooks, loose Word documents around the network, and even in the heads of subject matter experts. This locks the information away in unfriendly and hard to reach places. People often can't search it, can't access it on their desktops, and have to go ask somebody for answers. DocToHelp exists to help free your content in the most efficient way possible so you can improve communication, save time, and make your customers happy. It does this in 3 phases. First, it imports the documents you have or helps you write new content in Word or its own WYSIWYG editor. Second, it gives you project management tools that allow you to manage your content locally or even on SharePoint. This makes your content easy to reuse in other projects and facilitates collaboration with reviewers, contributors, and editors. Finally, and most importantly, it publishes polished outputs to the web, mobile devices, EPUB, desktops, and print. Now, let's see what it looks like in DocToHelp. It all starts with your content. If you have existing Word documents, DocToHelp will work with them. Many people start with their Word manuals. But if you don't already have content, DocToHelp provides 2 great ways to author: Word itself and DocToHelp's own WYSIWYG editor. When writing in Word, you always work in Word. You never need to convert the content to a different format. DocToHelp even installs a toolbar in Word for you. If you prefer to use DocToHelp's editor, don't worry. You see that the interface mimics Microsoft Office. You don't have to worry about learning a new authoring tool or a new interface. Once you have content, you can store it locally for one project, or you can use DocToHelp's SharePoint integration to easily share it with coworkers, reviewers, and other contributors. Once it is in a SharePoint library, the content will stay synchronized. Rather than boring you with the upload process, let's move on to the exciting part. You can use one project and automatically publish to all the formats your readers need. DocToHelp's 10 outputs allow you to publish to formats designed for inclusion on your website, touch-enabled viewing on mobile devices, EPUB for e-readers, desktops for user assistance, and print for physical manuals. For example, I have one project with a few Word documents and I will produce 3 outputs. One for the web, one for mobile devices, and one for print. Note that I'm starting with ordinary Word documents. To produce output for the web, I just select an output and build it. Notice that DocToHelp automatically added a table of contents, search engine, pop-ups, and other interactive features. I can use this for user manuals, support knowledge bases, and interactive training sites. To produce another output for mobile devices, I do the same thing. Select the output and click Build. This is on a desktop browser, but you can see that the design is suited for a small touchscreen. This is a great way to provide instructions and support information to people in the field. Finally, to produce a printed manual, I again do the same thing. This time, I get a title page, headers, footers, and all the things I need to finish the output for professional printing. I was just able to produce 2 types of online output and a printed manual from one project. Notice that I didn't need to do formatting or design. I could have also produced EPUB, Microsoft Help formats, and more. All the outputs are professionally polished and I only had to click a couple of buttons. If I wanted them to look different, I could use DocToHelp's designers to configure the look and feel. I can even store multiple versions of the same output. Now you can see how DocToHelp unlocks the information you have scattered around your organization by helping you organize, author, collaborate, and publish to any format your readers need. Head to DocToHelp.com to download your free trial of DocToHelp today. I am Dan Beal. Thanks for watching and thanks for choosing Component 1.